Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the document open. Now take two quick decisions: number the whole file or start later. First, place your cursor where numbering should begin, at the top of page 1 or after a section break. Once done, choose Insert, then Header and Page Number to access numbering options. This matters because headers and section breaks control where numbers appear. Make sure to use section breaks when starting mid-document, so you avoid numbering earlier pages unintentionally. Now insert the actual numbers. Go to Insert, Page Numbers, and select the layout you want: top or bottom, left or center. If you need numbering to start at a specific value, use More options and set the Start at Number field. This lets you begin at 1, 0, or any number you need. Once numbers appear, click into the header or footer to change alignment and font. Make edits there so all pages inherit the style, and then close the header to continue editing. Finish by flipping through pages to confirm continuity and formatting. You want sequential numbering without accidental repeats. If numbering skips or restarts unexpectedly, inspect your section breaks and headers. Unlink the header from the previous section when you need different numbering. Once fixed, use More options to reset the start number if necessary. A quick troubleshooting tip: when numbers repeat, select the header, toggle link to previous off, then set the correct start number. That typically resolves numbering conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.